Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
So we are outside the Springs of Hope, which gives these children hope. They live here, they've lost their fathers, their mothers, but the women who don't have families, they've taken over as their mothers.
Before I come to here, I don't know the meaning of tenderness and loving. Truly, I speak truly. Here, I learn the meaning of love with the children.
You did not have a chance to have children with your husband, but now you have so many children. And they all love you. I've seen that, Miss Iman, Miss Iman.
They say to me, we are your children, we are your home.
One big happy family that again has been displaced. They have to come and live in these tents because of the earthquake. So this is a room inside the Springs of Hope where the children would come for some activities, some fun times, some games to play, and then the earthquake took place. Even though there was a proper home for these children and these women that all of you have contributed towards, but they've had to come back and live in these tents. And yet, the SKT family has been so proactive in making these tents as livable as possible. We've been to other camps. We've seen there are no sanitation facilities, there are no cooking facilities, there's no running water, electricity, and SKT has still provided them with all of that. Alhamdulillah, it's a strong, firm building which has withstood the shocks of the earthquake, but it still needs to be made safe, it needs to be fixed. We need to bring those children back into this building. We need to rebuild and fix this building so that we can bring back the joy and laughter in their lives. We need to bring them back inside. And you can help us do that.